In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Murder Mystery 2 in Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to find and join the Murder Mystery 2 experience. You will be able to do this on any platform, so I am recording this video and showing you how to do it on PC, but you will be able to do the same steps on mobile or console to find and join Murder Mystery 2. So all that you have to do is use the search function and look for the experience. Immediately upon typing murder, usually Roblox is going to recommend Murder Mystery 2 because it is an incredibly popular experience. So once you look for Murder Mystery 2, be aware that there are a lot of clones. So as you can see, there are 2 clones that you should avoid. Make sure that you select the official Murder Mystery 2 experience. You can confirm that it is the official one because it is developed by Nicholas and it has more than 17 billion visits. And all that you have to do now is go ahead and join. Immediately upon joining Murder Mystery 2 on any platform, you will be able to start playing. You will get instructions on how to play, how to change the game mode, and you will log in immediately. If you are doing this process on a mobile device, you will have to choose between the mobile layout or if you are playing on a tablet because the menus are going to differ. So just choose between phone or tablet, and once you get in, you just have to wait for your turn to begin. You will be able to see your inventory, equip effects, powers, and so on. You can see the shop, see if there are any events going on. You can spectate the game, so as you can see, these people are playing at the moment, and you will be able to participate in the events, for example, summer, join all of the different game modes, and overall, you will be able to experience Murder Mystery 2 on any platform. So all that you have to do is join the experience, and you will be able to play right away. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Murder Mystery 2 in Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.